What is up, you guys? Ayo, it's Lance again on your screen. Welcome back to another video. I am real sorry about my voice right now. I currently have cough and colds, so I hope you can bear with me, okay? This video is all about making a short intro or outro for your summer vlogs this year. But you know, here in the Philippines right now, it's kind of rainy and cold, so I guess I won't be making my own summer vlogs. But I hope that you will still find this video helpful for your own contents. So without further ado, let's start. If you have your own video clips from beach or water sports, from a water park or wherever you are this summer, you can just import it here. But since I don't have any, I'll just use stock media. I prepared a video here. Let's drag and drop it on our editing timeline. So that's the clip. Now the main highlight of this tutorial is that Filmora 12 added new text templates or text effects here in their titles tab. As you can see, there are new tabs right here which you can call Trend Pass and also VFX text. These texts are so cool, and all of these are very useful for your future content. So we'll be using Water Summer for this tutorial. Just drag and drop it on the second video track. Let us have a short preview of it. Okay. So as you can see, it's like waving or something. Now go ahead to transitions and search for this fashion bubble intro transition. If you already found it, just drag and drop it on the first part of your video clip. After that, search for vacation vibes pack transition 2. This is how it looks like. So it's like water waves or ocean waves at the beach. So you can add this at the end of your intro. You can make it shorter if you want. Also the first one, let's make it shorter or quicker, whatever you want to call it. Now for your text, you can edit it by double clicking and then go to basic, then type whatever you want. For example, I'm going to have this as summer vlog. Align center, then make it a little bit smaller, like 150. I think that's enough. Put it in the middle. Now let's have a short preview of what's gonna look like. Okay, so that seems basic or simple. What I can see here is that the text immediately appeared as soon as the transition took effect, and also it stays up until the end. So I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter this time. Then what I want to do is to add animation to the text. Double click the text clip again, go to animation and click in. So here we're going to add a little fade. There you go. And for out, we're going to add a fade too. Okay. Now let's see what's gonna happen. There you go. It's much better now, but I think it's still lacking. Right click on the video clip, click detach audio. There you go. I still want to add a looping effect on our text, so you can go ahead to loop, then click this blue wave. So it looks like a water wave, right? Single loop speed, it's 0.5 seconds, kind of fast. Maybe I can make it a little bit longer. Now that we're done with our text, we're gonna add some audio or sound effects for our transitions, right? Because it sounds so boring if you want to add this to your video or vlogs this summer. So if you want to add some sound effects, you can go ahead to audio tab. Let us try some sound effects right here. Maybe this one. Okay, so that has an echo. Maybe we can use this one already, okay? We're not picky. But if you found a better sound effects, you can use it. Okay? I'm not limiting your creativity for this one. Let's have a short preview. Alright, looks good already. Now for the last transition, we have here ocean waves. Okay, so maybe we can use this ocean sound effects here, add it to another audio track. Okay. So what you want to do with this part is place the So what you want to do on this part is find the part of your audio which has the highest spikes, or for instance this part right here. So that will trigger the transition for me, and I'm just gonna cut this first part right here and put a little fade in, and also cut our audio right about there, then put a little fade out. And I don't know if this will sound good already, but let's see. There you go. So yeah, I don't know. If it sounds good for you, then it's good. But yeah, for me, I am satisfied with this already. But there's still one element missing, which is the music, okay? Vlogs don't go well without music. You know that, right? So for this video, we're gonna be using this audio. I prepared this already. What is this? I forgot. Yeah, kind of a party from Mini Vandals. You can download this audio from the YouTube audio library. This is for free. You can use it on any of your projects, okay? So just download it and then import this audio right here on your media. And let's see how it's gonna sound. There you have it, guys. So that is it for this video. I hope that you find this very helpful, and I'm looking forward to see your own creations for your summer vlogs this year. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.